If you're managing Oracle licenses, you already know the real money isn't in the licenses, it's in the support fees, and unless you understand Oracle's support policies, those fees only go one direction. Oracle's support model is built on strict rules. Premier, extended, and sustaining support each come with different rights, patches, updates, certifications, and the moment you drop down a tier, your options shrink fast. Then there's the matching service levels policy. If one license in a product set is on support, Oracle expects all of them to be. That's how companies get trapped, paying support on software they don't even use anymore. And don't forget the annual renewals. Oracle increases support by default, unless you challenge it with data, timing, or a reduction strategy. Here's your tip. Before any support renewal, audit what you're actually using. If a product is legacy or unused, challenge the support footprint early, not 30 days before renewal. If you want help navigating Oracle's support rules, reach out. Share your NDA and support stack, and we'll show you how to cut costs without triggering compliance risks.